The more concrete risk is actually that the relationship continues because what rightful person outside of the Apple China relationship would prefer that our top engineers are going to train up our chief adversary in the most consequential thing for the 21st century, high-end electronics, chip fabrication, and all that sort of stuff. I mean, if there's ever going to be a war over Taiwan, first of all, nobody wins that war, and I'm certainly not advocating anything like that. I hope that never comes to pass. China's industrial capacity is second to none, way larger than ours. They might not have our GDP, but their GDP is made up of, steel and furnaces rather than what Xi Jinping calls the fictitious economy of social media and crypto. So that's what worries me most. Not that I have a shareholder concern for Apple because China's about to kick them out. That's actually pretty unlikely.